Good evening to everybody. So,
Good evening, sir.
mm,
Good evening, sir.
so
Good evening.
last we discussed something about the circular permutation based combinatorics. Now we'll talk about the miscellaneous questions, means selection based, what has to be done. Because what is the last we discussed, I will just show you so that all of you can relate it. So mainly we discuss permutation part. The circular was done. Now we need to talk about the selection part. So means in the combinatorics, name itself is the combinatorics, means combination. Maximum selection based question will be asked to you. So we are going to talk about the selection based questions. So if you want, I can give some kind of the formula which we are going to use it. So that if anyone have doubt with the formula and all, it can be discussed. Ashwi, I did not get what you are asking. I didn't understand the question. First things, for combinatorics, maximum time to ask.
So just 1 second. This is Arudha speaking. I have not gotten the recording for the last class.
Reshma is there. Can you reply her? Reshma, Rudra, can you just message there will be LPS in the chat. So they will
Okay, sir.
okay, because they'll respond. Okay, let's go ahead and understand the meaning of the selection. So today's I will try to cover the only selection based questions where selecting things can be done. Whenever any objects, different objects are there, different object. Let's say there are total n objects are there, n different objects. Be clear. The wording you should be clear. Different objects, not identical. If n different objects is there and you need to get r object, so that will be done by the NCR. NCR equal to what? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the what the NCR value used to be. NCR means n combination of r object out of n object. It is a simple counting, nothing else. So this we use NCR just because to avoid the so much big calculation, or simply it's do selection. For example, if I say A, B, C, D, I want to select two letters. You'll say AB, AC, AD, or you can say BC, BD, or you can say CD. So total 6 options are there. Able to understand? Total 6 options is there. Out of this 6 options, if you notice, in this 6 options, nothing is repeated, means group is not repeated. What I mean to say, AB for selection point of view is same as a BA, because we are not doing arrangement. What we got it, that's matter. That's only things is going to be matter. So this is the what called as the selection meaning, nothing else. In this one mistake, all of you have to avoid. If I say I have to select two objects, don't try to do this way. I will select first one object and then balance one object. This is wrong because the repetition will be there. If you calculate that, that will come as a 12. So never try to break the things. It means first I will take this much and after that another I will take it. So that should be avoided. So I will try to explain by the questions because we have the limited time in that. I'm trying to cover up as much as possible we can cover it. So let's start with the simple questions. Very quickly. I hope all of you are able to read. The first question, first bit in that A bit. What will be the answer? 5 boys, 3 girls. I will be a few questions I will do. Please watch it. B1, B2, 5 boys are there. And 3 girls are there. What they want? They want to find the number of 4-member committee. 4-member committee. It means they just want 4 members. That's all. Out of this many people. If I say no condition, so directly we'll say answer. There the 5 plus 3 total 8 members are there. 8C4 will be the answer. If there is no condition, answer will be 8C4. I hope everybody able to understand my point. No condition. But there is a condition. There is at least 2 girls should be there. Whenever there is a condition, try to write that condition in the wording format. So at least 2 girls should be there. What does mean it? It means either 2 girls and 2 boys, because total 4 people I need. R means addition. 3 girls, 1 boy. Or 4 girls, 0 boy. But 4 girls not possible because only 3 girls is there total. So 2 girls, 2 boy, how we will do? But 2 girls will be selected from 3 girls, 3C2. And 2 boys, and means multiplication, 5C2. Plus 3 girls, again from 3. So that will be 3C3. And 1 boy means 5C1. So your total answer, 3C2 will be coming what? One few points you should remember for fast calculation of NCR. NCR fast calculation. NC0 always 1. NC1 always n. NC2 always n into n minus 1 by 2. And NCR, any moment of time, you can write n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. If anyone remember this much, so any big NCR they can calculate. Suppose they ask you 3C2. So 3C2 will be what? We can use this one. 3 into 2 divided by 2 means 3. 5C2, 5 into 4 by 2 means 10. Plus 3C3. 3C3 will be same as a 3C0. So that will be equal to 1 into 5. So this total answer will be your 35. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. One more point you can keep in mind here. NCR, any moment of time I can write NC n minus R. I'm not explaining much because otherwise it will become complete theory classes. So B bit, please answer everybody. B bit. B bit answer. B bit answer. Try to keep camera on if possible. It will be much easier. Okay. 2 people given correct answer. Manoma, I think it should be correct only. I don't think that mistake. Anisha, no. That could not be answered. Yes. Manoma given correct answer. I think my volume is low. Some people are saying I'm increasing the volume. Please be careful if you're keeping the mic or something to take it out. Now, is this sound is okay for you? Is there...
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So answer is 60, 60. I think so. And so many people given the answer 60. So let's understand that. 2 boys and 1 girl, minimum. Be clear. The condition is minimum. They're not asking this minimum. So what is the possibility? 2 boys and
2 girls.
2 girls, or
3 boys and 1 girl.
3 boys and 1 girl. No other possibility. That's all. The 2 boys we have to select how many way? 5C2. And 2 girls 3C2. Plus 3 boys I want 5C3. And 1 girl I want 3C1. This is 10 into 3 plus 5C3 will be same as a 5C2. So again 10, 3 into 3. So that will be equal to 60. Fine. Let's go ahead with the at most situation. At most means maximum. So A bit, second A bit. Second, first question, second part, A bit. At most 3 boys. So what is the possibility can be? I mean, maximum 3 boys can be happen. So there is a 0 boy possibility is also there. Maybe all 4 girls or 3 girls, 1 boy, because there is no condition on girl. 4 girls is the, be clear, this is a 0 case because 4 girls is not there. I just wrote it. 3 girls, 1 boy, or 2 girls, 2 boy, or 1 girl, 3 boys. I hope I did correct. Yes. So answer will be what? 3 girls means what? 3C3 into 5C1 plus 3C2 into 5C2 plus 3C1 into 5C3. So if you calculate this value, this is a 1, this is 5. I'm not wasting time. 3C2, 3, 3 into 10 plus this is 3 into 10. So 30 plus 30, 60, 65.
Sir, but then there can be 4 girls and 3 boys, sir.
4?
There can be 4 girls, 3 boys, 4 girls, 2 boys, 4 girls, 1 boy.
4 girls is not possible because there is the maximum 3 girls is available. No? Only 3 girls.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I did not see.
No problem. Acha, this question, can we think some other way? Anyone can suggest me, you can switch on mic and say, this question, can we do some other way?
So we get you.
Yeah, tell me. How should we go for the other method? Any other method? Yes, I think Sikh is saying correct. We should go by complementary. Complementary means in what? Reverse way. What they're asking, 3 boys maximum. So what should not be there? 4 boys is not possible. Rest all other cases possible. So total 8 girls are there. Method 2. Out of 8 girl, let's select 4. Sorry, 8 girl. I'm sorry. 8 people are there. From 8 people, select 4 people. This is the no restriction answer. Minus those cases which I don't want. I don't want which case? I don't want 4 boys case. 4 boys case I don't want. So it will become 8C4 minus 4 boys will be how many way? 5C4. Let's calculate the value. 8C4, how will calculate? I don't know. I will just break it. 8C4, I can write 8 by 4 into 7C3. That I can write 7 by 3 into 6C2. And 6C2, I can write 6 into 5 by 2. Minus 5C4 is same as a 5C1, means 5. So 3 into 2, 6 cancel. 4 into 2. This is, and this will become 70. 70 minus 5. And that will be equal to 65. So answer of this part will be 65. 2 girls, at most 2 girls. At most 2 girls. At most 2 girls means what? Sorry. No girl means one case, no girl. Another case, 1 girl, 3 boys. Another case, 2 girls, 2 boys. That's all. This is the case. 4 boy, how many way we can do? We can do by 5C4. Plus 1 girl, 3C1 into 5C3. Plus 2 girl, 3C2 into 5C2. So 5C4 will be equal to 5 plus 3C1 is 3 into 10 plus 3 into 10. So that will be equal to 65. Again, it will be 65. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Now, coming to the second question. Second question.
Sir, I have a question about 3 boys. Can you just scroll down to your working?
Yeah.
Like, no, sir.
2 boys, yes. Tell me.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Please tell me.
Okay, sir. So basically, you put
We
2
want,
girl and 2 boy.
we want maximum 3 boys. So 2, what is the possibility? Either 3 girls and 1 boy, or 2 girls, 2 boy, or 1 girl, 3 boys. What is your doubt in this?
Oh no, fine, sir.
Is it clear?
Sorry, I was
No.
thinking about something.
Okay, fine. Let's go ahead with the second question. I'm just putting question once again because it's become. Yes. Second question. First bit, listen to me. I'll do faster so that all of you can understand the idea. Then after the next question, all of you try. We can save some time. 10-person name is this. Find the number of committee of 3 people. It means I want 3 people. Out of how many people? 10 people. Is the all 10 are different people? Yes. People cannot be identical. So out of 10 people, I need 3 people. So first A bit, very simple, no restriction. I will say 10C3. And 10C3 value, if you have to calculate, 10 by 3 into 9C2. I can write 10 by 3 into 9C2. We can write 9 into 8 by 2. So 2, 4 and 3, 3. So this will be 120. Second, if a person P1 is always selected in the committee, then how many way we can select 3 people? I have to select 3 people only. But they are saying P1 is always coming. P1 is always coming. Manumay, you are doing mistake. Please careful. P1 is always coming. It means basically in your hand, P1 is there. So you have to do selection of 2 more people. Because P1 say, bhai, I am always there. P1 is always there. I need 2 more person here. So selection will be done only for these 2 people. From how many people? 9 people. Because P1 already gone from the group. Because he is saying, I am fixed. No, I need only 2 more people. So from balance 9 people, I need 2 people. So 9C2. So B bit answer will be 9C2. I'm just solving it. If anywhere doubt, please let me know. 9 into 8 by 2. So that will become 36. So 36 will be there. Coming to C bit. If P2 refused to be in the committee with P1, this is the interesting question. P2 is not saying ki I will never come. He's saying, I will come only when P1 is not there. So what is the possibility? Ki bhai, P1 is there and other two people are there, but no P2. No P2. P2 is not there. No P2. Or P2 is there and other two people, but no P1. Or neither P1 is there nor P2 is there. Totally three new people. No P1, P2. No P1, P2. Up think what is the possibility for this? P1 is there. P1 is there. So we don't have to do selection of P1. I need more people. But if P1 gone, 9 people left. In that 9 people, P1 is P2. P2 also should not be considered. So these two will be filled by 8 P2, 8 C2A. Or these two will be filled by again 8 C2A. And here 3 people, but P1, P2 is not there. So that will become 8 C3. This will be answer. If anybody have difficulty, not able to understand any particular point, please let me know so that I can re-explain.
Sir, I did not understand the 8C3 part.
Check it here. This part means what? I want 3 people, but I do not want P1, P2 is not there in that 3 people. So first remove the P1, P2. So how many people left?
8 people.
8 people. From that 8 people, I need 3 people.
Got it.
Got it? So that is the 8C3. I'm not calculating the value. That part all of you can do. D bit. If P1 agree to be in committee only if P2 is selected. Now they become friend. P1 say, bhai, I will come only when P2 is there. Otherwise, I will also not come if P2 is not there. So what is the say? P1 is there, P2 is there, and one more person is there. Or neither P1 nor P2. Because if P1 will come, P1 agree only if P2 is selected. If P2 is selected. That means if P2 is not there, P1 will not come. So if P1, P2 both are not there, 3 people, but no P1, no P2, no P1, P2. Tell me, I wanted to know the answer of this person. Is it possible that P2 is coming, but P1 is not coming? Is this possible cases there or not? Anyone can answer me this question?
Certainly.
Is it possible that this case are not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Sir, no.
Right?
It is said that P1 will come only if P2 is selected.
But they say,
P2 did not say. Oh, sorry.
yeah, P1 says, I will come only when P2 is selected. But maybe P2 coming, but P1 is not selected.
Yeah, sir. Possible.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the answers in that case? So
8C1
P1,
plus
P2, 8C1 plus. Next,
8C3
8C3.
8C3.
and then 8C3.
8C2.
8C2.
8C3. Acha. In this 8C3, P1, P2 both are not coming. In this P1, P2 both are coming. Plus we need to do something.
8C2.
Everyone think about it. Because this is the point you need to think.
9C2.
Hmm? Just when my pen is not working, 1 minute. Just give me a second. I think some pen battery gone. Okay. This case, what will be answer? P2 coming, but P1 is not coming. P2 is coming, but P1 is not coming, and two more. So P2 coming, 2 I have to select from 8C2. Wait, 2 people will wait. So what will be answer? 8C1 is the 8. 8C3 will be 8 by 3 into 7C2. 7C2 is the 7 into 6 by 2. Plus 8C2 again will be 8 into 7 by 2. So this is the 56. And this will be 56, 112 plus 8, 120.
Sir, why do that?
Why?
56 by 28. That.
I did mistake. I'm sorry. 8 into 7 by 2, this is the 28. And this will become, this is correct. 656. 56 plus 28 plus 8. How much will be? What is the value of this?
92.
92.
92.
8, 6, 2, 92. Yes. The answer will be 92. Is this till here? Everybody clear? Now, EBIT. P1 and P2 have decided to be in committee together. So I think this is very simple. P1, P2 decided to be together.
Sir, 8C1 plus 8C3.
P1, P2 should be together. It means either P1, P2 will come or P1, P2 will not come. Both will not come. So 8C1 plus 8C3. You got these two parts. That's all. That will be your answer. Can I go ahead? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's do the second set because these things you can learn only by questions. There is nothing else great things. It's just questions. Let me show other questions. Yes. Yes. Third question, I wanted to see that how many people are able to give the answer. All of you are aware of set and subset. Set means just collection of the data. I'm just explaining you. Set, those people who do not know, it's represented by curly bracket. Suppose this is the one set. containing 3 elements. These are called the elements. It's a collection. One container is there. This is a collection of objects. That object may be number, maybe digit, maybe alphabet, anything. So this is a set of 3 alphabet, ABC. If I ask you what is the subset of this? Subset means by using these elements, how many new set you can create. Always remember, one of the new subset will be empty set. Why? Because every collection can be having nothing also. You can take nothing out of it. Or you can take AA, B, 1, 1. Or you can take 2, 2, AB, AC, BC. Or you can take all 3. So every set is the subset of its own also. And remember, these are called as the proper subset. Now tell me, question 3. Yes, Manumay did. What is the answer? I think it's a proof. No. What is the answer, Manumay?
Sir, then no.
Yeah, correct. See, number of subset means what? How will form the number of subset? Think carefully. A may go or may not go. There are 2 choices for A. B may go or may not go. There are 2 choices for B. C may go or may not go. 2 choices for this. I'm just taking this example. After that, I will come to this question. So number of subset will be 2 power 3. And 8. You can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the way we used to calculate subset. If any set having n number of elements like this, so this may go, may not go in the subset. So 2-way. This also can be done by 2-way. This also can be done by 2-way. The total number of subset will be 2 power n. Total number of subset. Total number of subset. You can remember also, it's a common formula. Number of subsets of any set is given by 2 power n, where n is the number of element in the set S. Right? Just give me a second.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, tell me down.
Sir, if a number is in set, so every number have 2 chances.
Either it may go in set, subset, or may not go.
And in subset,
Yeah. If I say I have a one container which contains 3 objects, correct? I want to fill this container. In how many different way I can fill the container? Empty container also allowed. So what you will say? There is a 2 chance. Either it will come inside this container or it may not come. The 2 chance will be there. Yes or no? There are 2 chances for this also. 2 ways. Either it will go or it will not go. This also 2 ways. The total number of way to fill this container is the 2 into 2 into 2. Means 8 ways. Am I clear? Is it clear your doubt?
yes, sir.
Good. Question number 4. Good question. We need to think about. Question number 4. Just a second. I'll just take 4th question separately. A father has 8 children. He takes 3 out of them at a time to zoo. never take the same group again. Be clear. Wording of the question, very important. Never take the same group again. That means it's not saying he never takes same child again. He is saying, I will not take same group again. That is the main thing in the question. If all children has to visit you equal number of times, then how many times father will go to zoo? First, let's make it simple, understandable question. Suppose one person having 3 children, ABC, he want to take 2 child at a time to the zoo, but never take same group. So what is the possibility? Either he will take AB, or he will take AC, or he will take BC. No other chance. Yes or no? So there are 3 times he has to visit to the zoo. Or simple way you can say, I have to select how many different way I can select 2 people. So that will be 3C2 and that will come 3. So think here. How many times father will go? So 8 children is there. Whatever number of time he can make 3 group of 3 childs. So that will be 8C3. And 8C3 will be what? 8 by 3 into 7 by 7C2, 7 into 6 by 2. So 56. Actually, that father will go 56 times to the zoo. I am sure it's clear to everybody. Yes. Now, can you suggest me what will be answer of B bit? Manome given correct answer for B bit. Manome, you are seen from IUQM batch?
Yes, sir, I'm also there.
Pardon?
Yes, sir, I'm also in that batch.
That's what the name is. B bit, B bit. Every child will go how many times to zoo? Very simple.
7 times.
How 7 times? Suppose first child name is the C1. So C1 will go how many times? So what I will do, first check how many times I can make a selection of 3 children where C1 is present. So C1 present, so I need 2 more child. From how many child? From 7th child. Because C1 is already present. So from balance 7 children, I want to take 2 more child. So how many way I can select? 7C2. So 7 into 6 by 2 means 21. So B bit answer will be 21. I hope it makes sense to all of you.
Sorry, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes,
Very good. Next C bit. Everyone can give the answer. C bit. Let's check it. How many times father will go to zoo if C1, C2 decided to be always go together?
Sir, is it 6C1 plus 6C3?
I don't know answer. I will solve it. Please check it. What father will go how many times if C1, C2 is going together? Be clear. Father will go that time also when C1, C2 are not there. So possibility is what? Ki either C1, C2 is there and one more child is there, or both is not there because both is saying that ki I will go together. Both are not there. 3 new children are there. This is the only possibility. When C1, C2 is there, the 3rd child can be selected by the 6C1 or plus C1, C2 is not there. So balance 3 children will be selected from the 6C3. 6C1 is the 6 and 6C3 value will be equal to 6 by 3 into 5C2 means 10. So that will be 20. 26 times.
Sir, how can we check that all the children are going the same number of times here?
It will be whenever we do selection, it will be always equally distributed. It will never ever will be unequal distribution. It's an equal distribution, always will be there. It's not for this case. If I am selecting NCR, so whatever object is there, so whatever number of time you are for selecting, that object, every object will come equal number of time in selection. Did you understand what I said? Next, D bit. How many times father will go to Jew if C7, C8 decided never to go together? They don't want to go together. D bit. So what is the possibility? C7 is coming, but C8 is not coming. Bar means not. And two more children is there. Or because C7, C8 never go together. Or C7 not coming, C8 coming and two more children. Or neither C7 coming nor C8 is coming. Three more different children. This is the only possibility. What will happen in this case? C7 already present. C8 I cannot take. To balance 6 people, from there I have to select 2 people, 6C2. Plus C7 is not there. C8 already present, 6C2. Plus 6C7, C8 is not there. 3 will be selected from 6C3. 6C2 will become what? 15 plus 15 plus 6C3, just now calculate 20. So answer will be your 50. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Now, EBIT. How many times father will go to Jew if C1, C2 decided to go together and C7, C8 decided never to go together? This is a beautiful question. It's a beautiful question. I want that to see how many people are giving answer, and answer should be numeric. Answer should be numeric. EBIT. Answer should be numeric. Shiksha Gupta, no. You have to give answer. You are doing method. Manumay, no. EBIT, Manumay didn't get. No, Manumay, that is wrong. No. Kashvi, no. Sikh, no. Vedans, Saha, I don't think so. You are close to answer, but not correct answer. Let me try. How many times father will go to Jew? C1, C2 decided to go together. C7, C8 decided never to go together. Okay. C1, C2 decided to go together. That means maybe C1, C2 is coming and one more child is coming. Or C1, C2, C1, C2 coming. C1, C2 coming. But let's do by the proper way so that we can understand the things. The possibility C1, C2 comes and one more child. Other possibility C1, C2 does not come. 3 more child is there. If C1, C2 is coming, to 100% sure, C8 and C8, 9 together will, this C7, C8 will not come. But in this case, C7, C8 can come. So I have to make cases. No, C1, C2 is not there, but C8 is there and one more child. Here C1, C2 is not there, C9 is there and 2 more child. I'm sorry. C9 is not there, be clear. C9 is not there. Here C9 is there, but C8 is not there. And third case, C1, C2 is not there, but C8 and C9 is also not there. So 3 new children. Everybody understood the logic. C1, C2 is there, and one more child is there. That's all. So here I don't have any confusion. Why no confusion, sir? Because they are saying C1, C2 come, whenever coming, this should not come. So surely it will not come because already 2 children you taken C1, C2. So how C7, C8 can come together? Impossible. But when C1, C2 is not there, in that case, what will happen? These 3 places filling will be the problem. So I make 2 cases. C1, 3 cases. C1, C2 is not there. C8 is there and 2 other children, but C9 is not there. Bar means not there. C1, C2 not there. C9 is there, but C8 is not there. Yes, somebody was about to ask question.
There is only 8 people.
There is only 8 people. So see, I think numbering I taken wrong. C7, C8. I'm sorry. C7, C8. Just take 7, 8. This is 7 and 8. Just a minute. Here C7 not coming. And C7, C8 is not coming. Is this make sense to everyone? Now let's write the value. C1, C2 not coming. So balance will be 6 people. From 6 people, I need 1 people. So 6 C1 or C1, C2 not there. This case. C1, C2 not there. C7 is there. So 2 more. From how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 gone. 4 people. 4 C2. Here also C1, C2 is not there. C7 not there. C8 already there. So balance 4, 2 people I need. 4 C2. Here C7, C8, all these 4 are not there. So from balance I have to take 3 people. So answer 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus this will be 4. So that will be 22. The answer of this question is 22. I hope it's clear to everybody. You have to analyze by making cases. Now, next question number 5. I hope everybody can give the answer very quickly. No time. N people are shake hands with each other in a party. Then find the number of handshake. If no 2 people are shakes hand more than once, so surely by N people, if you select 2 people, 1 handshake will come. So number of handshake will be what? NC2. Direct answer. Coming out to the 6th question. out of two sets of n m parallel line. The meaning is what? There are m parallel lines are there. One set of m parallel line. This is equidistance. Equidistance m set of parallel lines. Like that. N number of lines are there. M lines are there. And another n, these are the m sets, m number of lines. And there is the n number of lines, another parallel lines, like this, parallel. Be clear, line means there is no starting and end point. Line means there is no starting and end point, like that, n lines are there. They are asking you, find the number of parallelogram. When parallelogram used to come, two line, parallel line, and two another set of parallel line will give you one parallelogram. I'm sure all of you can understand. This is the one parallelogram. So it means I need two lines from here and two line, and means multiplication, and two line from this sets, n number of sets. So two line from here will be MC2 and NC2. This is the number of parallelogram. I'm sure it's clear to everybody.
Sir, I could not understand this 6A1.
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's take up simple example. Forget about this question. I'm giving you this two parallel line and another set of two parallel line. How many parallelogram will come?
Sir, 1,
If I say one more line is here, only in this set, not in this set, how many parallelogram?
2,
How did you say two?
by counting and saying that.
This is the one, this is two, and this bigger one is also there, right?
Okay, sir.
Understood? It means parallelogram means how many way you can select the two parallel lines set up. Suppose this line name is the AB and this point name is the XYZ.
Yes, sir.
When you select AB, XY, one parallelogram. AB, YZ, another parallelogram. AB,
XZ.
Z, another parallelogram. That means I have to select two lines from here. So two lines are there, 2C2. And two lines from here, three lines are there, 3C2.
Okay, sir.
C2 is 1 into 3. So that will be 3 parallelogram.
Okay, sir. Understood.
So similar logic I apply here. From here I selected two lines and from here I selected two lines.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Next, B bit way. B bit. Similar logic, similar logic. Number, all of you know, square on any chessboard, there will be vertical 9 lines. Vertical 9 lines will be there. Equidistance, 9 lines. Vertical 9 lines. Sorry, it's not vertical looking. Yes. Like this. And there will be horizontal 9 lines. There will be horizontal 9 lines. 1, 2, 3. Horizontal 9 lines. I'll give hint only because time is limited, but that will be sufficient. Like this. Number of square. Number of square. Think carefully. Whenever two consecutive lines, horizontal and two consecutive lines, you'll get one square unit of square. So two consecutive lines, how many way you can select? Two consecutive lines. Either this, or this, or this, or this. Total 8 ways. Because this and next line is not there. So 8 way I can select two consecutive horizontal line. 8 way I can select two consecutive vertical. So 8 into 8 will be number of square which having the 1 unit length here. 2 line, if you take by gap, one gap and one gap here also, you'll get the bigger one, this one, something like this one. This is square. So number of square of the double size will be 7 into 7. Number of square of the triple side, 6 into 6, 5 into 5, 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 2 into 2, plus 1 into 1 into 1 means biggest one. This one. So that we can calculate 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 8 square, number of square. Number of rectangle is the most easiest thing. 2 line take any, 2 line take any. So 9C2 into 9C2 is the number of rectangle. In the next class, we'll discuss more geometric problem based on the combinatorics. And this file will be shared with you in your group. Okay. Thank you very much.
Sir, will you share the questions?
Pardon?
Will you share the questions, sir?
Yeah, this PDF will be shared in the group.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next.